Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the chat and choosing an account or guest mode. This gets you into the interface fast. Once in, define a clear goal so the model knows what to produce and why it matters. Then craft your first prompt, state the role, give brief context, and request the output format. Use short examples if needed. This reduces back and forth. If you struggle, break the request into 1 or 2 focused sentences to get immediate, useful replies. Now you refine the initial reply by asking targeted follow-ups. Clarify, narrow, or broaden the answer depending on your intent. Once done, request step-by-step instructions, concrete examples, or 3 alternative approaches so you can compare outcomes. Make sure to specify tone, length, or technical depth. This controls usability. If code or data is involved, paste minimal context and ask for annotated explanations. Continue iterating until the output matches your goal. That back and forth improves accuracy and relevance. To finish, ask the model to polish the answer into a ready-to-use format such as bullets, a script, or copy-ready text. This saves editing time. Once satisfied, save or export the conversation so you can reuse it later. If the model gives incorrect or irrelevant information, don't panic. Reframe the prompt with clearer constraints, provide missing context, and ask it to explain its assumptions. That troubleshooting step often resolves issues quickly and ensures reliable, repeatable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.